and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a massive haul with you guys. It's been a while since I've done a haul video. I'm not gonna lie, I've been pretty proud of myself. I feel like I've really kind of crunched down on my very insistent habit on over shopping. Around the fall time, I started getting really into like budgeting my money. But that said, for that reason, I had a little bit of money tucked away that I knew I wanted to kind of splurge on for my birthday month. I'm one of those people that like on my actual birthday, I'm like, no, stop. But the whole month, I'm like, it's my birthday, I can do whatever I want. So for that reason, I kind of splurged a little bit and I decided to pull it all together into a haul video and share with you guys some of the stuff that I've been loving lately, some of the clothing I've been kind of inspired by, and just all that fun jazz. Really quick, if you guys aren't following me already, I'm gonna pop my Twitter, my Instagram, and my blog right here on the screen. Come check it out. And aside from that, let's just go right ahead and jump in because I have a lot to show you guys and we have to try it all on. So sit down, stay a while. We've got a lot to show. So I told you guys already that I wanted to try and do one book related video every single month. And for February, I was debating doing kind of like a book related video all about love stories, but to be honest with you, I haven't read a good old love story in a long time. So instead I kind of took that inspiration and decided to go book shopping. I picked up 3 books the other day. Greg and I went to Chapters. The colors of them totally go with everything that's in this haul. Not that that's important, but apparently we've got like a theme going on. So first things first, I picked up a new mug. I was actually drinking coffee out of this morning, so forgive me if you see some coffee stains. But I picked up this mug here from Chapters. I'm loving the color of it. Coase is actually going to be coming out with a mug almost identical to this color. I've been so drawn to this color lately that when I walked into Chapters and I saw this, I was like, yes. And it says Namaste in bed, which, yeah, yoga, but also yoga in bed. That's kind of dirty, but you know what I mean. And if you can't find it, then hold tight, because the collection that's going live on Coase with the whole Coase makeover going on right now, I will hint that there will be a mug in this color. I've been kind of in the mood to read a love story, and one of the books that I have added to my reading list is Safe Haven. So that's a Nicholas Sparks book, but I already had Safe Haven, but I decided to add these 2 books. They were both $6. They were on the sale table. The first book is called Since You've Been Gone, and it looks like spring. And it says, how do you learn to love again? In one tragic moment, Holly's life as she knew it changed forever. Now in the external world at least, she's finally getting back on her feet, running her bakery, Cake. But inside, she's still going through the motions of being a 27-year-old widow. Then she meets Kieran Argyle. His privileged and charmed life feels a million miles from her own. However, there's more to Kieran than the superficial world that surrounds him, and he too is wrestling with his own ghosts. Will Holly find the missing ingredient that allows her to live life again and embrace an unknown and unexpected tomorrow? So I feel like this is just a really good book, kind of transitioning into the spring/summertime, and also I do have some trips coming up, so I think that this will be a good love story to read. And then the other book I picked up is called Enough About Love. And this book says Anna and Louise could be sisters, but they don't know each other. Both are married with children, and for the most part, they are happy enough in their relationships. On almost the same day, Anna crosses paths with a writer, Ives, and Louise meets Anna's analyst, Thomas. Their lives are unexpectedly turned upside down by the delicious and convenient arrival of love, but their passionate affairs come at a high price. Thought-provoking and sophisticated, and above all amusing, Enough About Love captures the euphoria of desire through tender and unflinching portraits of husbands, wives, and lovers. So it's from a French author. It was on the sale rack and it kind of suited the Valentine's Day vibe, so I decided to pick this one up as well. And then the last book I picked up from Chapters, this is a nonfiction. I decided to give Unplugged a try. This is one of the ones that was like picked from the people that work at Chapters. A simple guide to meditation for busy skeptics and modern soul seekers. 1, I feel like this is going to be a small enough meditation book to kind of travel with. 2, I needed to add more to my nonfiction list. If you didn't see my nonfiction book list for 2018, I will put it down below or pop it up on the screen. But I've added this to the list now, and also, as you guys know, I've been getting super into meditation. I feel like I'm just scratching the surface of it, honestly. I have such a hunger right now to learn so much about it, so seeing this book, I decided to pick it up. Now we're getting to the good stuff. I bought a few things off of ASOS, and I hope I'm saying that right, but the first thing I picked up was this t-shirt here. I've been really into logo tees, and I feel like getting back into that spring weather, even though I'm looking outside and there is an actual snowstorm going on right now. Thinking about spring and thinking about kind of spring summer weather. I've been like attracting it. I've been trying to get it to come faster. It's not working. I just feel like having good classic logo tees, you can't go wrong. And when I saw this one, I just felt like I needed to get it. It's actually by the brand Wrangler, and I have a Jeep Wrangler, so when I saw this, I was like, yep. Throw on like a leather jacket and some jeans and you're just like, you're good to go. And then the next thing I picked up, this was my splurge in this haul, okay? I feel like I need to justify it. I saw this raincoat and I could not for the life of me get myself to take it out of my cart. You shouldn't spend that much. You don't need a raincoat. It's still snowing outside. I couldn't not have it exist in my life. It's basically just this baby pink. Oh my god, guys, nothing has ever felt more right. I got it off of ASOS, but it's from Love Machino. I hope I said that right too. It's like light enough that it's gonna be perfect for the spring. Like I feel like I just want to wear this the rest of the haul. It's so pretty. Life is too short to not, you know, burn your candles and wear your expensive rain jacket. For the reason that it's like kind of loud, I'll take it off, but I'm obsessed. Also, I recently went to Sport Check, and while I was there, I decided to pick up a sweater and some headbands. This is the sweater I got from Nike. It's just this like crop sweater. You can tie it at the bottom to make it tighter. It's like a mixture between baby pink and baby purple, which again has been just suiting the whole vibe. And so I decided to pick it up. And then the other thing I decided to pick up while I was there too are headbands, because I'm in the middle of like that awkward stage of growing out my bangs. And so every time I go running or do yoga, my bangs fall out of my ponytail like they're threatening to right now. I picked up some Nike headbands just to kind of keep my bangs back, but also these are cute enough that they fit all of like my workout stuff right now. And recently when I was in my hometown, I decided to check out Urban Outfitters, and while I was there I picked up two things. The first thing I picked up was another book. This is Practical Magic, A Beginner's Guide to Crystals, Horoscopes, Psychics, and Spells. I've just been like super into this kind of stuff lately. I feel like it's so interesting and cool to learn about. It goes into like all the flowers, it goes into tarot cards, it goes into chakras, it goes into reading people's auras and what color they are. Just all of that cool kind of like moody, vibey stuff. And then the other thing I decided to pick up while I was there was this coat. This jacket was in the sale section for an additional 40% off, so I ended up getting this coat for like 30 bucks. So it was the last one, and it's like 3 sizes too big, but I feel like that's kind of what gives it its, you know, charm. Like I like that it's super oversized and so comfy, because then I feel like I'm drowning in it. It's like I look like I'm wearing a cloud. I am wearing a cloud. The next store I'm going to share with you guys is Forever 21, and I have a lot to share with you guys from here. Since I'm already sharing jackets, one of the jackets I decided to pick up from Forever 21 is this one here. It's almost like a fake suede moto jacket in this nice tan color. It kind of suits the whole vibe we've been going for lately, but it's also super comfy. I like buying kind of trendier things from Forever 21 in case it's something that kind of goes out of style really quickly, because then you didn't spend $300 on a raincoat. Then next, kind of going with the shirt that I'm wearing right now, I decided to pick up this shirt from Forever 21. It's just got 2 Saturns over your boobs. Like, can we just take a second? I don't know why, but I love this. It's just so cute. I feel like I'm gonna wear this a lot. And this one too. This one's also from Forever 21. The next thing I have to share with you guys is this shirt here. This is just like a cropped polka dot shirt. I feel like you could wear this with like high-waisted jeans, or you could wear it, there's so many ways you could wear this too. And the polka dots, I feel like just scream spring. So I've been also just loving crop tees with like high-waisted vintage-esque jeans. Kind of matches the vibe of this romper that I picked up, which is just a black and white polka dot flowy romper. I'm normally not so much of a polka dot person, but this year I feel like I could maybe roll with it. I think it's such a cute pattern for springtime, and rompers like this are so easy, like with like a little sun hat or some cute booties. I wish it wasn't snowing outside so I could actually be wearing these things. I got this matching set of workout gear. So the bottoms, they almost kind of look like marble, and they're in a lilac, baby pink, like that salmony kind of color. There's a bit of baby blue in there. These ones are high-waisted, but they're also cropped at the bottom. And then I got the matching sports bra to go with it. Already kind of had a pretty good collection of clothes for running. Now that I've been getting more into yoga, I wanted some just like cute matching little like yoga gear to wear to do yoga. And since we're talking about workout gear, I'll show you the rest of the workout stuff I got too. I also picked up these leggings. I thought that these would be cool. They're just like ombre black to white. Again, they're cropped, and I feel like these could be really good for running or yoga. Like they're more versatile. This year I'm gonna get really into styling more workout gear, so if that's something you guys want to see, then definitely let me know down below. And I also decided to pick up this cropped mesh. I wouldn't even call this a sweater because it really doesn't, like, it doesn't do sweater things, but it's just like a nice little top to go over if you're wearing a sports bra to yoga, or if you're just like when I do yoga here, sometimes this room gets really cold because there's so many windows in it. So I'll just kind of wear this over top for the first little bit until my muscles kind of warm up. Plus it's just really cute. And again, it's in that salmon color that is invading and taking over my life. I think this might be a new theme of clothing that you're gonna start seeing me wear a bit more. These like comfy, baggy, I don't know why, but I want to call these brunch pants. I just feel like these are the types of pants you would wear to a brunch. From now on, we're calling these brunch pants, okay? So I decided to pick up these pinstripe brunch pants, and they're in navy and white, and they have this big, giant, massive bow in the front. This is one of those things where from Forever 21, you put it on and you're like, this is majestic. I can't believe this is from Forever 21. With a good bodysuit or crop top in the spring, it's gonna be perfect. This might be one of my favorite things in this entire haul. It's just like massive and oversized, and even the sleeves kind of have like a boxy fit to them. It's so soft and the color is incredible. I kind of wish I had picked up another one. So warm. This is something you can actually wear considering it is still winter out. And then guys, I got the cutest pair of matching pajamas. Can we just... Are those avocados? Why, yes they are. I saw this on Forever 21 and I thought it was so cute. So the shirt says, let's avocado. And then the shorts are baby pink with actual legitimate avocados on them. Well, not legitimate avocados, but you know what I'm saying. The only pajamas I own are shorts, and so I couldn't say no to this. Plus, I feel like Greg is going to chirp me so hard when he sees these. It's going to be hilarious. Okay, there's only two things left to show from Forever 21. The first one, I decided to finally pick up my first pair of overalls. I wasn't sure if I'd be able to rock it, and suddenly I'm just feeling like this spring is gonna be the debut of overalls coming back into my life. I used to wear overalls all the time as a kid. I picked up this pair from Forever 21. They're actually so cute. I was again shocked that these are from Forever 21 because they fit so nicely. So this is like my clothing challenge for springtime, is styling the overalls. That's the little challenge that I'm giving myself. And then last but not least, I picked this up. I decided to grab this, like, it's super thin. Be really good for like running, but at the same time, I kind of feel like, you know those potatoes you buy that are already wrapped in tinfoil and ready to go in the oven? That's what I feel like right now. I actually really do like this jacket. I feel like it's very far out of my comfort zone, but that's why I'm kind of digging it. Again, it's kind of like a challenge for me to find a way to rock this and style it. Just like wear all black underneath kind of thing. And like a really dope pair of sunglasses. I feel like this could look pretty cool. And then last but not least, the last store I have to show you guys is Shopo. I recently picked up a few things from there. The first thing is another pair of brunch pants. These ones are in that like really pretty mauve color. This with like a nice white bodysuit is going to look so bomb in the warmer weather. Also, all of these clothes make me want to just go to Paris. I feel like these are all perfect Paris clothes. I decided to pick up these brunch pants. They're super stretchy on the top, super just like loose and breezy, and then it's really cool because they have this slit that goes up the side. So it kind of looks like you're wearing a maxi skirt, but you're actually wearing brunch pants. I love that we're calling these brunch pants now. I feel like, I don't know, I just feel like brunch pants are gonna be the new thing. The next top I decided to pick up from Shopo. I actually wore it, so you'll have to excuse the little bit of makeup on there. It's kind of like a mixture between a sports bra and like an everyday shirt. It's just super comfy. It's kind of got like a low back scoop, and it's a little longer than a normal sports bra, so you can get away with wearing it as a top too. And this top will go good with brunch pants. I just want any excuse right now to say brunch pants, which is nice because the next thing I have to share with you guys is another pair of brunch pants. This is the last and final pair of brunch pants I have to share with you guys in this haul, at least. I picked up this navy pair from Shopo with these kind of like soft salmon-y and tan floral design going on. Again, they kind of fit the whole aesthetic and vibe of the whole haul, but also these ones are so comfy. They have a big bow in the front, and I just feel like I could eat a really good stack of vegan waffles in these pants. Next, I decided to pick up another set of matching workout gears. So this one is pink with these leaves or like branches in another pink and white color. These ones are also high-waisted. These are super high-waisted and they go all the way down to your ankle. And then again, the matching sports bra to just go with it. Perfect for yoga. I wouldn't necessarily run in these because I just feel like they're too pretty. I mean, you could run in it. I sweat like a hog. The next thing I got from Showpo is another basic tee. This one's just white. It's a super nice material actually. It's like stretchy and it almost has that dry wick feel to it. And then in black it just says merci, which I just thought was cute for like a pair of jeans or like a really chill kind of casual day. Maybe tie it up in a knot, throw some brunch pants on, go to brunch. This is making me really hungry for like pancakes. Next and second last thing I have to share with you guys in this haul is this top that I got from Showpo. This is so cute. I cannot wait to wear this. This stitching detailing, it's in this really, really pretty kind of cream color with gray and pink flowers, and you can tie a bow as tight as you want it in the back, and I just feel like these are so kind of the vibe that I've been feeling lately. And then the last thing I have to share with you guys, which you could even wear with that top, is this skirt. It's this skirt that I've been wanting to pick up from Showpo for so long. They've had it on their website for some time now, and every time I see it, I like fangirl over it, so finally I just bit the bullet and bought it. It ties up onto the side and then it's just like flowy and it kind of has like layers to it. I just hit myself in the face. Just recently cleared out my closet if you guys watched my life makeover vlog last week. So now that I cleared those out of my closet, I felt the need to kind of start restocking with a few maxi skirts that I actually really like. Thus concludes everything I purchased for this little birthday month haul, I guess you might call it. Leave a comment down below telling me your favorite thing in this haul. I think for me it's either the pink raincoat, the pink Forever 21 sweater, or the pink corduroy set from Showpo, like the yoga set. Oh yeah. Oh, I mean, and this too. I mean, and the books. I don't know, I can't choose. If you guys want me to post any like lookbooks or outfit videos with these clothes, let me know that down below as well. And other than that, I feel like I've been rambling for far too long. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I love you guys to the moon and back, and I will see you guys all next week. Bye guys.
She can start a wave with pure desire. Watch her switch lanes when she takes me higher. Oh, 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 she's on my team. That's all I need. She drives me through the night.